So friends, good morning and welcome to the session. My name is Abhishek and today we are going to discuss the level 2 question of circular seating arrangement. This is obviously level 2 and I guess you all must have gone through the level 1 question of circular seating arrangement. So let us start with the question. Like the questions are question number 1 to 5 is study the following information carefully and answer the question given below. There are four pair of husband and wife among A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we have eight people. So I have drawn a circle and divided the circle into eight equal parts. All are sitting around a circular table facing the center. All pairs belong to different cities, viz. Lucknow, Ranchi, Patna, and Delhi. Each man sits beside his wife. B is the wife of the man who belong to Lucknow and sits second to the right of A. That means if I place here, B sits second to the right of A and A who belong to Delhi. So that means here A belong to Delhi. Okay. Thereafter, G is the wife of the one who belong to Patna and sits on his right. So we don't have any information of G here, so we can leave it. F and D are male members in the group, and one of them does not belong to Patna. Okay. C is an immediate neighbor of B and A. So C must be here. C is an immediate neighbor of B and A and is on the immediate right of her husband. That means our husband should be A. That means A should be male and she should be a female. Thereafter, E and A are immediate neighbors. That means E must be here. H is the wife of E. Obviously, when this is written, each member sit beside his wife. So H is the wife of E. That means H must be here. And there H is the wife, so H should be a female and E should be a male. H is the wife of V and sits third to the right of F. That means F must be here, right? Okay. So we once again study the entire question. The question is B is the wife of the man who belong to Lucknow. So B is the wife. That means B should be a female, and this should be the husband. So I am writing the male here, and who belong to Lucknow. So F belong to Lucknow here, right? Thereafter, G is the wife of the man who belong to Patna and sits on his right. So G is the wife of the man who belong to Patna and sits on his right. So G must be here, and the remaining one is D. D must be here, and this should be from Patna. So I can write Patna here, right? So and again G is the wife, so G must be a female and D must be a male, right? So friends, this is the entire arrangement. In the entire arrangement you are looking that that one couple I have made this, one couple I have made this, and one couple I have made this, and one couple this is remaining, and this couple would be from the remaining city. The remaining city is Ranchi, so obviously this person will be belonging from Ranchi, right? So once we have gone through the arrangement, we can give the answers of the question. Like if we check the available question, like our question one is C belong to which of the following cities? So C will be from Delhi. So option number A will be the right answer. Thereafter, question number two, who among the following is sitting second to the right of B? So second to the right of B, if we check, so answer will be D. So answer will be C. That is the option D. Question number third, which of the following pairs belong to Patna? So it will be DG. Question number 4. The person who sits opposite to E is the husband of B. So answer will be B. Who among the following is the husband of G? Husband of G is D. So our answer will be none because D is not given in the option, right? So friends, this was all about the question number 1 to 5. Let us go through one more question like this. The question is 6 to 10. The question is like, study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. C, Q, L, O, P, N, M, and A are sitting around the circular table. So friends, there are 8 people. Those are seated in a circle. So I am just dividing the circle into 8 equal parts, right? Okay. Thereafter, and like a different color, the colors are yellow, black, purple, white, gold, pink, red, and violet. All of them are facing the center. So friends, the facings are center. Okay, the question is like, Q sits third to the left of P and like gold color. So if I draw P here, so Q sits third to the left of P and like gold color. So that means the color should be gold here. Okay, thereafter the one who like pink sits third to the left of Q. So if Q is here, so pink would be here. So our color pink should be here. Thereafter, the one who like red faces the one who like yellow. So I can make another note like red will be facing to yellow. Thereafter, O sits second to the right of A. So we don't know at what position O and A will be. So I can draw separately. O will be second to the right of O, A. Q sits between the person who like black and violet color, right? So if Q is here, so black and violet can be here, or black and violet can be here. We have two positions. Thereafter, N is a neighbor of the one who like white and red. Okay, so definitely N must be here, and N is a neighbor of one who like white and red color. So definitely white and red can be here, or white and red can be here. We have two possibilities, but C is not one of them, right? That means wherever is the white or red color, C will not be there. Okay, thereafter the one who like white color sit exactly between the ones who like purple and pink. The one who like white color, okay, so like if I put white here, if I put white here, so definitely we have the situation like the one who like white color sit exactly between who like purple and pink. So uh, pink is here, white, purple. No, purple cannot be here. So obviously there should be a white color should be this, and once white is this, then P purple color should be this, right? And white color is this, then red color should be this. Thereafter, the one who like white color sit exactly between who like purple and pink. So we have made this. Thereafter, N is one of them. The one who like white color sit exactly between who like purple and pink. Okay, so N is here. Thereafter, the one who like yellow color is an immediate neighbor of one who like black and purple. The one who like yellow color, the one who like yellow color is an immediate neighbor of black color and purple color. Okay, so definitely yellow color must be here. The one who like yellow color is an immediate neighbor of one who like black color and purple color. So black color must be here, right? So we can write like this, black is here, and if black is here, so definitely violet color must be here. Thereafter, the one who like yellow color is an immediate number of one who like black and purple, but M is not one of them. M will not be here. Okay, thereafter P is an immediate number of A and O. So P is an immediate number of A and O, and he is saying that O is second to the right of A, That means definitely O must be here and A must be here. Thereafter, M like red color and sits immediate left of L. That means the situation will be like this, and all across the number of people, if we look at, so we have 8 people given, and out of 8 we have put the 7 names. Only one is remaining, so C must be here. So friend, this was all about the arrangement that I have made, right? So once the arrangement has been made, we can give the answers of the question. Like if we look at the question, who among the following like yellow color? So friends, here A will be the answer. Question number 7, who are the immediate number of Q? So if we look at immediate number of Q are C and L, so B will be the answer. Which of the following combination is true? So C gold, wrong. A purple, wrong. N red, wrong. L violet, so L violet is the red option. Thereafter, ninth question, who like red and pink color respectively? So red and pink color, M and N, so answer will be A. Thereafter, question number 10, what is the position of L with respect to O? So this will be third to the right, so our answer will be third to the right. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 11 and 11 to 15. Okay, so the question is like, study the following information carefully and answer the questions given. Like there are 8 friends, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, sitting around a circular table facing the center. So we have a circle, and I am just dividing the circle into 8 equal parts, right? Thereafter, moreover, each of them like a different motorbike, Viz, Pulsar, Discover, Fair, Charisma, Splendor, Platina, Bullet, and Apache, but not necessarily in the same order. The given is F, who likes Pulsar, cannot be an immediate number of C. E does not like Splendor, so we are not writing anything of it in the arrangement. Thereafter, C sits second to the right of A and he likes Apache. So we are starting from this. C sits second to the right of A and like Apache. So the bike of C will be here Apache. Thereafter, there are only 2 persons between A and D. So if A is here, so D can be either here or D can be either here, but we don't know at which particular position A and D is there. Thereafter, E and G are immediate neighbors. E and G are immediate neighbors. So let's check. E and D are immediate neighbors, while D and F are also immediate neighbors. So okay, B, who like Fraser, sits third to the left of F. Okay, G does not like Platina or Splendor. D sits third to the left of G. So let us check if we are writing like D here. So D sits third to the left of G. So first, second, third, G cannot be here. That means D will definitely be here, and D sits third to the left of G. That means first, second, third, and that means G must be here. Thereafter, the person who like Bullet is sitting between the person who like Pulsar and Apache. So we don't have any information. H like Charisma, as in immediate right of one who like Pulsar. Okay, let us have the reading again. The statement is F, who like Pulsar, cannot be an immediate number of C. That means one number of C is D itself. That means F will not be here. F, who like Pulsar, cannot be an immediate number of C. Okay, E does not like Splendor. Okay, C, second to the right of A, has been done, and like Apache has been done. There are only 2 people sitting between A and D, so has been done. E and G are immediate neighbors. E and G are immediate neighbors, so E must be here, or E must be here, or E must be here. We have two situations. E and G are immediate neighbors, while D and F are also immediate neighbors. So if D is here, so F definitely should be here, right? B, who likes phasor, sits third to the left of F. So third to the left of F, so B should be here, and the bike of F is given. Bike B, who likes phasor, sits third to the left of F. Thereafter, G does not like platina or spender, so we can write like G platina and splendor will not be there, so we are removing this. D sits third to the left of G. D sits third to the left of G has been done. The person who like bullet sits is sitting between the person who like Pulsar and Apache. So definitely bullet will be here. Bullet will be here. The person who like bullet sits between Pulsar and Apache. So definitely Pulsar will be here, right? H like charisma and is on the immediate right of the one who like Pulsar. So definitely H will be here, and the bike of H is given, that is charisma. So this should be there. Okay. Thereafter, G does not like platina or splendor. So platina and splendor should not be there. Okay. Let us go. E does not like splendor. E does not like splendor. So definitely platina should be there. And G does not like platina or splendor. So that means splendor should be here. And the remaining bike is for BG, like the bike that is remaining is discover, so we can write it as discover here, right? So friends, this was all about the question number 11 to 15. If you look at the available questions from 11 to 15, like the question is, so question number next 16 to 20, and the question is, study the following information carefully to answer the question. Like 8 friends J, K, L, M, N, O, S, and I are sitting around a square table. So I am removing this. Circle from here because the question is based on a rectangle. So let me draw a rectangle first. Like the question is, 8 friends are sitting around a square table. So this is a square table that we can think about. Okay. Right, then the question is, 8 friends are sitting around a square table facing the center. Let me change the color also so that there will be no confusion. Outline must be from black color and fill should be white color. Okay, right. And each of them faces center. 4 of them sit at the center of the square table, and other 4 sit at the side of corner. So that means like 4 are sitting at the corners and 4 of them are sitting at the side, right? Okay. Thereafter, each of them like different color with red, brown, blue, yellow, purple, green, pink, and black, but not necessarily in the same order. I sits one corner side of a square and like red. So I can start from any corner. Let us suppose I am starting from this. I sits one corner side. I sit one corner side of the square and like red color. So this should be like this. Thereafter, K sits third to the right of I. If K is here, so third right, that means first, second, third. So K must be here. Like K sits third to the right of I. M sits third to the right of K. So if K is here, so M must be here. Like he is saying that M sits third to the right of K. And like purple color, so definitely purple must be here. Thereafter, O sits immediate left of M, and like yellow color, immediate left of M, that means O must be here, and color should be yellow. So let me write yellow color will be this. C and N are immediate neighbor to each other. So the place remaining is this C and N, or vice versa. N and J. N and J are immediate neighbors to each other, and like blue and brown color respectively. There, the one who like blue is not an immediate neighbor of one who like red. The one who like blue, okay, and N like blue. So definitely N will not be here, N will be here, and J will be here. And in the previous statement, N and J are immediate neighbors to each other, and like blue and brown. So N will be definitely liking blue color, and J will be definitely liking brown color. So this should be here. The one who like blue is not an immediate neighbor of one who like red. So this is done. S is not an immediate neighbor of I. So S definitely should be here. S is not an immediate number of 5, who is neither an immediate number of 1 who like pink or green. That means pink will not be here and green will not be here. Okay, K does not like green. That means pink color would be definitely here, and green color will be definitely here. Green color will be definitely here. So friends, from the arrangement we can see that the person that is remaining is J, K, L, M. L is remaining, so L must be here, and the color that is remaining, so we can look at red, brown, blue, yellow, purple. So friends, purple color should be here, and our arrangement has been made. So our final arrangement will be like this, right? So once the arrangement has been made, we can give the answers of the question very easily. Like the question is question number 16. Who like black color? So black color will be N. Black color will be. Is there black color in the question? Red, brown, blue, yellow, purple, pink, and black. And okay, blue, brown, red, purple. I have written purple color 2 times. Okay, that means there is some error in the question. M sits third to the right of K and write purple color. That means purple will not be here. Here the color will be black. Right? Okay, coming to the question, like the question is who like black color? So if we check black color L, and the option is C. Thereafter, question number 17, who sits third to the left of one who like pink? So third to the left of one is I, so our answer will be A. Thereafter, if S is related to red, if S is related to red, N is related to purple, in the same way J is related to what? So we can check J is related to yellow, because S is in front of red, N is in front of purple, so J will be in front of yellow, and yellow is not in the option, so answer will be none of these, right? Next question, question number 19, 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way. based on the given seating arrangement and thus form a group, which is the one that does not belong to the group. So K, N, L, O, none of these. So friends, if we check K, N, L, O, so K, L, O, N, N is not belonging to the group because the group is the of people who are sitting in the middle of the row, right? So friends, this was all about the question number 16 to 20. One question is remaining, you can look at. Okay, I am coming to the next question, that is question number 21 to 25. The question is 8 people A, B, C, D, W, X, Y, Z are sitting in a circle table facing the center. Okay, I have made a circle and I am dividing it into 8 equal parts, right? Thereafter, all 8 people are from different places like Okhla, Dwarka, Lajpat Nagar, Chanakyapuri, Saket, Mehrauli, Rohini, Karol Bagh, but not necessarily in the same order. W is sitting third to the left of Y. So I can start Y from here, and W is sitting third to the left of Y. The person who is from Dwarka is on the immediate right of W. So friends, I can write Dwarka here because he is saying that the person from Dwarka is to the immediate right of W, and W is not from Okhla. That means Okhla should not be there. So I am writing Okhla and cutting. W is not from Okhla. B is sitting fourth to the right of Z. Right, B is sitting fourth to the right of Z. So if we put B, so first, second, third, fourth, any statement, any arrangement can be there. Z is not an immediate number of Y. So friends, Z will not be here and Z will not be here. Now think about it. B is sitting 4 to the right of Z. So if we place Z here, so first, second, third, fourth, B can be here, and if we place Z here, so first, second, third, fourth, there are two situations. Z is not the immediate number of Y. Okay, neither B nor Z is an immediate number of W. Neither B nor Z is an immediate number of W. That means B will not be here. And B will not be here because he is saying that neither B nor Z is an immediate number. Now we can put B is sitting 4 to the right of Z, right? That means Z is here to first, second, third, fourth. So B can be here, or the situation next, right? Because B is sitting 4 to the right of Z. Okay. Thereafter, X is from Chanakyapuri and is sitting third to the right of the person who is sitting from Dwarika. X is from Chanakyapuri. So this can be X is from Chanakyapuri and is sitting third to the right of the person from Dwarika. So first, second, third. So X is from Chanakyapuri. So this can be there. X is from Chanakyapuri and is sitting third to the right of the person who from Dwarka. The person from Mehrauli is sitting second to the left of the person Chanakyapuri. So the person from Mehrauli, so obviously Mehrauli must be here. The person from Rohini is sitting second to the left of W. So W is here. So the person from Rohini must be here. The person from Rohini is sitting second to the left of W. A, whose Lajpat Nagar, is sitting between X and Z. A, who is Lajpat Nagar, is sitting between X and Z. So friends, we have made an error. Like the error that we have made should be like B should not be here and we should start X from here. Z, and B is sitting fourth to the right of Z. So first, second, third, fourth, B must be here. Thereafter, Z is not an immediate number of Y. This is correct. Neither B nor Z is an immediate number of W. Okay. X is from Chanakyapuri and is sitting third to the right of person from Dwarka. Okay. So Dwarka, we don't know this point of time. The person from Mehruli is sitting second to the left of the person from Chanakyapuri. The person from Rohini is sitting second to the left of W. Okay, so W is here, Rohini must be here, so this will be here. A, who is Lajpat Nagar, is sitting between X and X. A, who is Lajpat Nagar, is sitting between X and Z. So A must be here and Lajpat Nagar. So Lajpat Nagar we are writing like this. A, who is Lajpat Nagar, is sitting between X and Z. So definitely X must be here. The person from Saket is sitting second to the right of the person from Lajpat Nagar. So definitely Saket must be from here. C is sitting third to the left of X. So definitely C must be here. And the person that is remaining, A, B, C, D. So the person that is remaining is D. And for the place, let us try one more time. We start from this point, like W is sitting third to the left of Y. So this has been done. Thereafter, the person who is from Dwarka is to the immediate right of W. So W, so definitely Dwarka must be here. And W is not from Okla. Okay, W, we will not write Okla here. B is sitting fourth to the right of Z. B is sitting fourth to the right of Z. So this is correct. Thereafter, Z is not the immediate number of Y. So this is correct. We can remove Z from here because this is not required. Thereafter, the person from Mehruli is sitting left. The person from Mehruli is sitting second to the left of the person from Chanakyapuri. So definitely Chanakyapuri should be here. And Mehruli must be here because he is saying that the person from Mehruli is sitting second to the left of the person from Chanakyapuri. So the person from Rohini is sitting second to the left of W. So this has been done. Okay, now my only one Okla is not at the W place, so definitely Okla must be from here. So this is done. And now only one state is remaining, one place is remaining, so we can check whichever is remaining. Okla has been done, Dwarka done, Lajpat Nagar done, Chanakyapuri done, Saket done, Mehruli done, Rohini done, Karol Bagh is not done. So definitely Karol Bagh must be here. So friend, this is my final arrangement, right? You can check one more time. You can try one more time. Question number 21. If we look at the question is, who among the following persons belong to Okla? So friends, answer will be Y. What is the A's position with respect to B? So third to the right of B. So third to the right, answer should be A. How many people are sitting between Z and C? So Z and C, there are 2 people and 4 people. So either 2 or 4. So we can take either 2 or 4. So none, because answer will be either 2 or 4. Question number 24. 4 of the following 5 pairs are alike in certain way based on their position in the above arrangement. So from a group, which of the following does not belong to the group? So the question is B, Rohini, B is sitting in front of the person Rohini. Z is sitting in front of the person Meruli. D is sitting in front of Okla. Y is sitting in front of Saket. X is not sitting in front of Dwarka. So our answer will be E. So friends, like this, you can give the answers of the question, right? Okay, I have gone through 25 questions in the session. I am leaving some question for you people. Question number 26 to 30 I am leaving for you. Just one question. You have to try this question from home, right? And you have to look at the video very carefully, because this is the level 2 questions. When you will study this sheet, so level 3 will be more easier for you people, right? Okay, thank you so much.